Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and let me show you how to add bookmarks on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that we are using, and let me open Google. And if you would like to add this, for example, site to your bookmarks, just tap on more icon, and here you will notice the star icon. Just mark it, click on it, and as you can see, it has been bookmarked. Then let me open any other site, for example this one, and if you would like to bookmark it as well, just tap on more, do the same thing. As you can see, it has been done. And then if you click on more, you will notice bookmarks right here, and now you can smoothly open those websites. So for example, let me choose the first one, and you will be redirected to this article, the one that you marked. So this is it. So you can save websites in your device very quickly, smoothly and easily, and then you can have a quick access to them afterwards. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.